do some breathing techniques, exercises. Are you listening to the nature sounds? Nature sounds. Let's hear the nature sound. You hear the wind. You're going to hear the wind. It's okay if you lost your way somehow, you don't know. No one here is trying to disturb what nature has to offer you or what the hair texturizer has to do for you. Enjoy the outdoors. Enjoy the woods. There is life. There is breathing exercises. You don't have to hold it in. You don't. No. You don't have to hold it in. You can relax in the outdoors, in the woods. Don't hold it in. Understand where your home is. Understand who holds the keys to your doors. Don't have to hold it in. This is breathing exercise video. If you want more, you know where to find her.